Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and tonight we have smoked bone-in pork loin. So this is a shout out, huge shout out to my brother from another mother, Bruce. The other day he called me, and he came home with a bone-in pork loin. And he was asking me, what do I do this or this? Oh, let's try this. And he went with it, and it came out good. And I got motivated and said, well, I'm gonna try it and see if mine can come out good as well. So what do we got? First of all, find a bone-in pork loin. So it's basically pork chops, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ribs, 9 chops. Carolyn, you may get some time. And then I got a tablespoon of garlic powder for the seasoning, for the rub. A tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of black pepper, some sage, tablespoon of sage, chopped up sage, fresh sage, chopped up fresh thyme, and chopped up fresh rosemary. And then for some color, I'm gonna dust it with some fajita, meat church fajita seasoning, which is really good. But I'm going for the color for this, which is why I'm not doing that much salt. So I'll get ready here, and you guys will come along for the journey. So Triple M was asking what this is. This is basically a prime rib, but for pork. So those are the pork chops, and each bone, I asked the butcher to slice it so that I won't have to have that trouble. But I'm gonna try and do a Purdy technique and get fancy on Michael's Kitchen. And I'm gonna try. I've never done this. Again, don't be afraid, Marcus. Don't be afraid to try. If you don't try, how you gonna? If it doesn't turn out good, it doesn't turn out good. Luckily, you've had a lot of luck. So I'm gonna go ahead and French these. So I'm gonna get rid of this here. And then go down to the bone. Yep. Get the biggest knife you have. Always helps to have the biggest knife you have. And then I'm gonna go ahead and between each bone, I'm going to go down.
In slice.
Mm-hmm. That's it. So I'm going to go ahead and trim these up, and then I'll show you the results in a few seconds instead of boring you with this. So for my first time Frenching,
Not bad.
not bad. Yeah, see that? I'm not going to throw this out. I'm going to put this in a Ziploc bag, put it in the freezer for the next time I make a red sauce. We've got a fantastic red sauce that Dave and Rosie from our last video said that they loved when I made the last indicator visit. So I'll put a link here for our red sauce, our Sunday sauce. Anyway, it's delicious. So here we are. I'll go to our next step after I get washed out. So in an effort to get even cook, this, as you guys can see, this side is bigger than or wider than this side. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the loin. I'll probably do 4 because I took out 4 twines. I'll probably do 4 here. So actually, I'll do this. One, 2. Twine, go around 2 times, 1, 2, 2, 3 times, pull, and it'll tie itself. And just make it on that, and you're good.
Okay, so go 2 times, hold tight.
Now our loin is good to go.
That looks good. good.
Why not try to make it look pretty, right? So I'm gonna get my rub mixed in, so I got my salt, black pepper, garlic powder, rosemary, thyme, and sage. I'm gonna get that all incorporated. It already smells like Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving in the summer. I'm gonna go on the fatter side. So hopefully this will be medium, this will be closer to well done, because Mark likes well done. I mentioned to trim these. So get my meter set up, get in dead center, and go right on all the way in the middle. Oil, and get this all rubbed as a binder. And triple M already said it looks good already.
Mm-hmm.
Almost-
Very good.
Almost like I know what I'm doing. And then my rub, we'll go ahead and put this all over.
No color?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the fajita seasoning.
Okay. No adobo? No sazón completo?
And then I'm gonna go this side to get this end. Triple M likes the Latin seasonings,
And all my meats.
and she probably want this with some wine. And obviously we can't forget our ends, right?
Mm-hmm. And don't be cheap.
Well, you already made the rub.
Looks good. It smells good.
It smells good already.
I know, I love all the herbs, así que tú lo dices.
Yep.
Okay.
Have we ever done this before?
No, first time.
Thanks to Bruce.
That's what he made?
Yep. The fajita seasoning for that color.
Can you show it again? Perfect.
The meat church fajita seasoning. Now, this is trying to get motivation for Rosanna to come back. Because she said, we didn't make that for you guys.
Don't tell that twice.
And we're done. To the smoker we go. Put it on the Traeger at 300 degrees for 2 hours, and we sprayed it every 45 minutes with apple juice to keep it moist and create the bark. And look at that color. Back inside, total about 2 hours and 20 minutes. And color is phenomenal. Now you guys can see it inside. Hopefully you guys are coming through.
Yes.
I'll get some of that garlic herb butter from that dry aged steak we did. We'll put a link here for that dry aged steak, Klein's. And I put some of this butter on here, let this rest for 10 minutes, let it get to temp. I want it to be at perfect medium 145. Let that rest. Get some aluminum foil. We'll be back in 10 minutes to slice and carve. We trimmed, we Frenched the bones, made it purdy, we smoked, we rested, we covered with garlic herb butter from Klein's Butcher, and it's time to slice and see if it was all worth it.
Oh my
Butter's
gosh,
already
look at all the
soaked.
juice.
The butter's already soaked, so I'll go ahead and I'll start from the other end. Actually,
Wow. Oh, let me take a picture of that.
well, if you weren't hungry. Oh, see, this is why I wanted to slice the bone. See, the bone's in the way. And you were asking why I wanted to slice. Now look at our gorgeous smoke ring, juicy inside.
Oh wow.
I'll slice one more for the gram. Oh, I forgot to take off the twine. The twine was in my way.
I was so excited for cutting.
But look
You
at that.
forgot.
How's that, guys? Jimmy B, Bruce, hopefully you enjoy the homage to Bruce. Let's taste one. Let's taste one. Look at that bone. See the smoke ring? Can you see the smoke ring on there?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that, guys. I'm excited.
Puedo cortar un pedacito y me lo pasa because I'm not going over there. My hair is all messy.
Oh, she's tender, juicy, smoke ring.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Guys, if you like this video,
That's so juicy.
like the video,
Mark.
comment down below if there's anything you want to try or make, and subscribe for more.
Oh my gosh.
This is straight fire, guys.
A buen tiempo.
Buen tiempo, guys. See you next Friday.
Bueno, bracito.
That is,
Mark.
that is delicious. That is delicious.
That's perfect.